Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to take ledger-wise profit in Tally. In default Tally, there is no option for taking ledger-wise profit. In default Tally, you will get item-wise profit and profit in your sales register. There is no option for getting ledger-wise profit. Using this TDL, you can generate ledger-wise profit. We can download this TDL from our online shop. I have that TDL. I am going to load that one. This is my TDL file, ledger-wise profit. So I am going to copy this TDL location path, copy this location, then open our Tally. Here, configure, product and feature, then F4, make it yes, again paste the location path, then enter and save. So that TDL was loaded. Again, you can check the normal way of your customer ledger. Go to display, accounts book, ledger. This is my customer. Then select the customer. Here there is one extra button. You can see show profit. Click this show profit button. So you will get that profit of each voucher. If you want to hide, then click the hide profit. This is the gross profit, this is a percentage. Okay. Then here you can see there is a one extra option, salesman name. So I am adding here in the sales voucher, there is a cost center name. Cost center name considered as a salesman. So here you can see like this, the salesman name. If you want to hide the profit, click hide profit, it will disappear. Okay. This video will help to get this ledger wise voucher profit. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting free more videos.